Hello everyone, welcome to science class. We are continuing our chapter on plate tectonics. Our learning target today is I can provide evidence of past plate motions by analyzing and interpreting data on the distribution of fossils, rock formations, and continental shapes. While we wait for the rest of our classmates to join us, please make sure that you are taking your daily attendance in Schoology, and then also answer the question in the chat. Did the continents fit together perfectly to form one continent? We'll have 5 minutes and then we will reflect on the answer. Taking a look at our plan for the week. This is week 7 and this is the plan if you have classes on Mondays and Wednesdays. We are on Monday or Tuesday, but regardless, the lettering will be red. We are working on Explore 2 interactive notebook pages 24 through 33. And same goes for Tuesday and Thursday's live classes, except you'll be starting on Tuesday. The flow of today's class is a community builder. We'll take a brain break, go over the lesson, answer any questions you might have. You may work independently or as a class, and then we'll come back together and check out with our FIS to 4 reflection poll. Our community builder today is rose or thorn. In the chat, share either a rose, something good, or a thorn, something annoying from your weekend. We will have time for a few people to share out loud when the timer goes off, and then we'll share, and then we'll take our brain break. We'll have 5 minutes to take care of ourselves so that we can come back and ready to do some science. Again, our learning target is I can provide evidence of past plate motions by analyzing and interpreting data on the distribution of fossils, rock formations, and continental shapes. Our assignment is interactive notebook pages 24 through 33. This is due in 2 days at 7:59 a.m., but remember, you are not going to submit your notebook until your teacher tells you to do so. That'll be in about a week. So the phenomena we're focusing on in this chapter is how can the same species of fossil be found on different continents? We're going to review some vocabulary to help us out. Continental drift is the theory that continents were once connected but have drifted apart. And in the picture you can see that over time, throughout different periods of Earth's history, the continents have continued to separate or drift apart. And here's a picture of present day. So this was the Permian period in 225 million years ago, to the Jurassic period, then Jurassic, Cretaceous, and present day. Plate tectonics is the theory that the crust of the Earth is divided into large pieces called tectonic plates. They slowly move on top of the mantle. And these lines indicate the tectonic plates. You can see that they either move away from each other or towards each other. A tectonic plate is a huge piece of crust that slowly moves on the upper ductile part of the mantle. And here's another picture of the separate tectonic plates that make up Earth's crust. Fossils are the mineralized remains of organisms showing how long dead organisms lived and how their bodies were structured. Fossils provide evidence as to how we know that dinosaurs actually existed. The crust of the Earth is the thin, solid, outermost layer of Earth. It is either continental, like North America and South America, land masses, or the oceanic floors, so the bottoms of the ocean. And you can see the red arrow is pointing to the crust, which is this thin black outline. So if you were to dig in a hole, let's say in your backyard, you are digging into the crust of the Earth. The mantle is the solid layer of Earth between the crust and the core, made of dense silicates. So the mantle is the second layer down, which is beneath the Earth's crust. Today you will be provided with pieces of continental plates at 3 specific times in history. You will use the rock and fossil evidence to arrange the plates and answer analysis questions in your notebooks. If you need directions on how to complete the assignment, it'll be on slide 18. I'll answer any questions before we start work time. And then we will begin to work. You'll have 25 minutes before we return to class and wrap up. What evidence supports that the continents were once one large landmass? What helped you understand? And what needs to be explained differently? Reminders, interactive notebook pages 24 through 33 are due in 2 days at 7:59 a.m. If you finish today, you do not have any homework for tomorrow. If you don't finish today, you will need to finish these pages. Remember, do not submit your notebooks. Then we'll check out with our FISTA 4 reflection poll. Rate yourself on how you can provide evidence of past plate motions by analyzing and interpreting data on the distribution of fossils, rock formations, and continental shapes. A 4 would mean that you can teach it. A 0 means you have zero idea of what's going on. Please let us know if you have any questions and have a great day.